Yes. So here's our laboratory, and here is where people need to test all our product, practically. And we actually benefit from this kind of a testing. And not only the new product, but also the customers' new drives, different combination of displays and different requirement, different software, even on our old product. And we need to test it before shipping them. And those people have been riding those products for so long that they have those very subtle feeling of the drive, and they can tell us, hey, something wrong is here, something is not good, or something is really fantastic. So we benefit, and our clients benefit from our team.
Oh, great.
And they're doing it every day.
So I have one very important question. Someone wanted, let's just say theoretically, if someone wanted to apply for that job of riding those bikes around all day, where would they go? Would they ask you? Would they ask, like, would I ask?
The boss is here.
The boss is here. All right, what's your email address?
You need to have very strong thigh.
Well, they're electric.
Yeah, because, you know,
these are all test bikes.
Yes.
Some bicycle from a customer, some bicycle we are just for testing.
Wow.
Yeah, the different drivers and different types.
So these are all different
Yeah.
programming or combinations of components
Yeah.
that you put onto a bike for real world testing
Yeah.
out on the road.
Yeah.
Wow, that's so each one of these is different. So let's just go ahead and take a look at one of them. This one looks quite handsome. This one has one of the bottom bracket production motors that goes inside of the node.
M420. M420.
yeah, that's our M420.
So that's the M420 drive.
Yeah,
And then it's got, I've seen these before. I've used those before on bikes in the shop for this display and also for this control pad.
It's a cargo bike.
A cargo bike. Oh, what kind of amps can that, what kind of watt can that motor put out? This is the Max EBS motor.
Yeah.
Ah,
Okay.
fascinating.
This M600.
This is the new M600 that you have here?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, so this is the newest and the greatest here. Oh, there you go, powered by the M600. So this is it right here, and it's kind of turned up the way that you see a lot of mountain bike motors being turned up into, kind of like into the down tube. And you've got a space for a battery in here that must be charging. They've probably ridden the bike, so the battery's dead. I'm jealous. But this is the one that's putting out 500 watts of power. 500 watts of power nominal. For a mid-drive motor, that should be pretty bombing. I really want to try it. And yeah, it looks like it's on a pretty sleek bike with a big battery too. What kind? Do you know what size battery fits in here? Is it like a
450 and the 600 watt hour?
Oh,
Two
okay.
types.
450 and 600. Okay. Looks like you've got cooling fins right here on the casing that's around here to protect it from being bashed around on mountain biking trails. And looks like you've got a pretty streamlined display as well going on right here. I'd love to power it up. And a pretty good grip attachment. Wow. Too much fun. Too much fun. I could be here all day. I should be here all day. You know, I should have come here in the morning at 7 or so.
We'll be extending.
Would you be here at 7?
7:30.
7:30. Okay, so I'd be waiting if I got here at 7.